Hi students, so this is our step 2 of making paper lanterns. So you would have finished the blue part of it, the first step of the lantern. This is the second one. Here you will take another color A4 sheet, fold it in half, draw 1 centimeter line on top like that. Now you're following the same thing that you did for the first lantern, only thing this time it's not 1 centimeter, you're just drawing lines of maybe 0.4 centimeters, thin strips. We need thin strips, and we're drawing line only on top. Now using a cutter or a scissor, you can start cutting along the lines till the horizontal line. Remember, the horizontal line is only 1 centimeter apart. So start cutting along the strips like this. You can see that it is random lines. You don't have to be very precise here, but just see that you're cutting on the straight line. Only till the line that you've drawn on top, the horizontal line, only till there you will cut all the strips, and you will trim it now. This is the last one. Either you can open it up like this and just cut the last strip like this till the line, that's all. Okay, so now we're going to trim our strips. We don't need it so long, it's too long, so we're going to trim it. Now I want you to observe the shape that I'm cutting in. From this side I'm cutting in a diagonal shape to the center, and from the center again diagonal shape onto the other side, like a V shape at the bottom. So I've just tried to get a V shape at the bottom like this. And now what you will do is again cut the last strip like how we did in the previous step, and you will glue them together like this. Just put some glue on one tip of it and stick it together. So now you have this ready. Now what you will do is, how are we going to fix this to the lantern? You have your lantern ready, you're going to fix it like this. So it's just the hanging, the dangling papers down. What you'll do is you will apply some glue on the circumference of this pink paper or whichever color you have used. Put some around the circumference, just like this. Just at the tips, you don't have to put all over the strips, just the tips of the strips. Now I have applied glue all around the circumference. Now I'll just insert this into the bottom of the lantern like this. Don't worry, it will be of the same size. And now from the above part of it, the above opening, you can just stick the A4 sheet edges to the lantern like this. With the help of your fingers, just press it to the sides of your lantern like this from the above opening. Alright, so yes, our lantern is almost ready. Now we have to just make a hanging. Again, we are going to use one of the strips that you've cut out. Take a strip that you have cut out, to fix it like this. So again, you will glue on one end of the tip like this. On both the tips, you will glue apply some glue and stick it onto the upper part of the lantern like this, like a U shape. You will stick it inside or outside depending where you want to stick it. You can stick it. I've stuck it to the inside of the lantern. Alright, now the next step is I just want to give it a beading or an highlight on top, so I've used another strip. I have a lot of strips there from the ones that we have cut and kept. So you can just stick one part of the strip all along the circumference at the top. It will give a very nice look. Alright, so our lantern is ready. You can hang it, you can cover it on a bulb or a lampshade. You can use it as a lampshade. Okay, so yes, this is how we have finished our paper lanterns. As soon as you finish, please upload your photos onto the class notebooks for me to grade you. Those who cannot, you can email your paper lanterns to the email ID that I have posted in our teams. So enjoy making this craft, students. Thank you. So once you finish, it will look like this. Thank you, students.